Hi, and thanks so much for coming back to my channel. Today we're talking about Settlers Park in Meridian. It is one of the largest parks in Meridian, Idaho. It is 58 acres with pickleball, cornhole, horseshoes, pavilions to rent, a snack shack, baseball fields, open fields, soccer, tennis, a splash park area, climbing wall, lots of playground equipment, walking trails, dog area, a sound garden, and so it is an amazing place. Let's take a look at some of the great features, and I hope you enjoy it. It is pretty amazing and impressive, and I hope you enjoy. Well, thanks for taking a look at Settlers Park. It's amazing. You can rent those pavilions. They have different pricing, 50, 60, 75. So if you want to do that, you can go to Settlers Park Meridian and pull up their website and then follow the steps to reserve your space. And if you'd like more of these videos and you like them, don't forget to like and subscribe down below. And as always, be safe, be happy, and be home in Idaho.